Welcome to the space where profound business insights meet the energy that fuels them. You're not here for the typical BS fluff. You're here for the transformative strategy. So buckle up, because today we're unlocking the secrets of leveraging social media for profit, turning all these follows, connections into high vibe, high profit relationships. So you're here because you've seen that LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram are all more than just social media apps. They're playgrounds for potential. But how do you turn that potential into fuel for your mission? It's not just clicks and ads, my friends. It's about creating a field of endless possibilities. So stop messaging people with a cold pitch. Yes, it will work at a 2% conversion call rate, right? But if you take our H.T.H.C conversational DM approach, you'll go from a 2% to a 30 to 50% conversions into qualified book calls. And to add fuel to the fire, if you invest time in creating content on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for your ideal customers that are focused on their pain points, and you're walking them through your proprietary mechanism, showing them how they could fix their pain if they just follow this process, it becomes a complete game changer. You start showing up, proving that you are who you say you are. Trust me, this process works. It's a beautiful balance of direct outreach and brand building. If you want to know more about our H.T.H.C conversational DM approach, leave a comment below and I'll send you a walkthrough. 90 days. That's all it takes to change your trajectory. And it's not just about metrics. It's about changing the energy of your business. You can pivot from scarcity into abundance, from vague connections to soulful collaboration. So the question becomes, how do I change my energy? And it starts with our B4 method: body, being, balance, and business. Every single day, you must do this before starting work. Get your body into motion for 30 minutes. Meditate for at least 15 minutes, whether it's a guided meditation or you're in silence all alone. Balance comes from gratitude and appreciation. Send a message to the number one and number two person that you're grateful for. And when it comes to business, you want to discover and declare. Okay, study an industry-specific topic and declare, what did you learn? How will you apply it? And what's your target today? If you leverage the B4 method in our journaling strategy, you will elevate your business consciousness and your own. You will transform into a completely new, better version of you. Our journaling strategy is called the J2X method. You journal 2 times per day, in the morning and at night. You write down your goals, identify your state, set your intentions for the day, create a to-do list that focuses on revenue generating activities in the morning, and identify what you should be doing and what you should be delegating. At nighttime, you want to list out your goals again, and then list out everything that you're grateful for. Gratitude is what elevates us into a state of manifestation. And this isn't some woo-woo bullshit, okay? This is real, tangible neuroscience. I learned all of this from Dr. Joe Dispenza. Look, I was where you are. Okay, frustrated, stuck, but then I realized it's not about getting meetings, it's about impactful, heart-centered exchanges. So what's the quantum equation for achieving that? The truth is, you can't create impact if you don't know what type of impact you want to see in the world. You must absolutely be clear on what your mission and vision is for yourself and for your organization. And once you're clear, you can have impactful conversations and become a catalyst for the people you want to serve. This is a quest you're on. You're the hero of this movie. You have the power to rewrite the script from victim to victory. So serendipity hits, right? I'm on social media with a clear plan and just pure intention, and boom, calendar's full. And not just with appointments, but with life-changing dialogues. So let's talk about leveraging your tribe, your people. The type of content you should be sharing on social media has to have a focus that you are who you say you are. Talk about your client results. If you don't have any, talk about your frameworks, blueprints, systems, and the transformational outcomes that come with them. Let's say you're going after a new high ticket niche, and before you start messaging people with offers, go and leverage our HTCH Report Method. This method will help you get out of your own head with what you think the market wants, and will actually give you direct feedback from the market itself, and they will willingly be telling you exactly what they want so that you can create the perfect offer for them based on your skill sets. Now, keep in mind, you might find out that you need to acquire new skills to be able to serve them at the level they want to be served. You have to become open to changing and getting better. If you don't evolve, you will get left behind. Now let's get tactical, but keep it magical. So once you know exactly what your ideal customer wants and needs, you could go the old route of DMing every Tom, Dick, or Harriet, or you could tap into the high vibe tribes already out there, aligning your solution to their desires. How about we make the latter a reality? You gotta go find where the high value decision makers are congregating online, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn groups, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, whatever it is for your ideal customer. Right? Go find where they spend time online and start doing everything we just covered. All right, visionary entrepreneurs, that's your download for today. And if this touched both your business acumen and your soul, go ahead and hit that like, share, and ring that bell for more. And until next time, remember, in business and life, you're not just in the game, you are the game.